What's up, YouTube? Are you ready to finally dominate on YouTube and make real money off of the platform? If so, stay with me because that's coming right up in my review of YT Supremacy. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this is absolutely ridiculous. It's unacceptable. You have to pay attention. These fine people came to listen to me. Why can't you listen? He never ever listens. He's so annoying. Now, the way it works here is that if I like your product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. In addition to that, I also do a lot of videos involving entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. You're such a nice contrast to that Bart character. You know, she's so sweet compared to Bart, who constantly complains. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking at the sales page for YT Supremacy. This is a new course from my buddy Chris, and you can see here some of his earnings from just ranking some videos in YouTube and also on Google. And what's crazy is that Chris doesn't have a huge channel. His channel has like 4,000 subscribers. So it's not like he's, got 50,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, and look at all these numbers. Wow. It doesn't have massive numbers of subscribers that you're going to be able to see him like saying, oh, of course he can. He's got a relatively small subscriber base, but somehow he's able to rank these videos super high. Now, I personally have been working really hard on ranking my own videos in YouTube, and I've learned a tremendous amount, which I've shared with a select few people. But even I was shocked to learn some of the things that Chris had to say in YT Supremacy. There were some really, really amazing things here. And when he's charging just $12 for the thing, it's like, this is a no-brainer course to actually take. But of course, I do have a whole lot of bonuses I want to share with you. So first of all, as most of you know, as you probably saw already from looking at this video at the beginning of the video, with the clips from Neil Caffrey and from Bart Simpson and all that kind of stuff, that I like to interact with little clips like these. And I do it in a very specific way. Now, what I've put together for you is a training video where I'm going to teach you how I use a program called DaVinci Resolve. It's 100% for free, and it gives you professional level training, a professional level video editing, basically, so you can edit various clips together to make something that looks really, really professional. You can do chroma key, like the falling money that you see right now. That's done inside of DaVinci Resolve. You're going to learn how to do that inside of DaVinci Resolve. It's a really, really cool product, but super hard to get into. If you haven't had a lot of time training and learning about it, you could spend the next 2 months trying to figure it out. I've already figured it out, so I put together a course explaining everything that I've learned about using DaVinci Resolve. That's number one. Number two, I'm also going to be sharing with you a really, really cool website that I found that I use to get all these clips that you see me using all the time, that I'm always interacting with. Yeah, like that one where I was just talking to you. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye. Anyway, so all these little clips that I interact with, they come from a particular place. I'm going to share with you exactly what that place is. I'm also going to be sharing with you my personal template that I use when I'm actually putting together my videos, because that's really, really important. You need to be able to see to put this template in, because otherwise you could end up losing your channel. There are specific rules that YouTube has. I have researched the rules. I've got it all put together for you. You're going to get that template included with this. You're also going to get my tags template, which is super valuable because the tags template really, YouTube is a search engine. And in order to really rank in the search engine, then you're going to want to have the right tags. I'm going to give you my model of tags that I use that are really successful. Finally, you're also going to be getting from me, and this is addition, of course, to all the usual bonuses I'm going to be giving you directly from Chris. This is additional bonuses that I'm giving you that are just from me. In addition to all that, I'm also going to give you a course on how to create custom thumbnails. That custom thumbnails are probably the most important thing you can do for your channel. Really, truthfully, nothing is more important than custom thumbnails because, quite frankly, if you don't have custom thumbnails that really look good, you're never going to get clicks, nobody's going to be interested, and you may as well not bother. So I put together a video on how to do custom thumbnails, and there's some tips and tricks that I'm going to teach you that you probably won't see anywhere else. So you're really going to want to see that video on how to do custom thumbnails. Now, if you pick up at least one upgrade, I usually offer a service where I charge $25 for this. If you pick up at least one upgrade, you're going to get a video intro. I have about 15 different options. You saw at the beginning of this video, if you didn't, you can go scroll back to the beginning where you see my intro with my logo. That's one example. There's about 15 different options. You get to choose from 15 different options. I will send you the link to all the different intros. You'll be able to pick one, and you're going to send me your receipt along with your logo and say, Eric, I'd like you to make me a video intro with this logo. Now, if you pick up the entire funnel, I've got a really special package for you. In addition to providing you with that video intro, I'm also going to provide you with an outro. I'm going to provide you with a logo. I'm going to provide you with YouTube channel art, and I'm going to provide you with a customizable YouTube thumbnail. So that basically you're going to get everything that you need. That you can take everything, put it all together, and actually use everything together, and you'll have a complete package ready to go for your YouTube channel. So it's really, really valuable stuff. So enough said about my bonuses. Let's go ahead and take a look at the members area and see exactly what they have here. So you can see it's a pretty comprehensive course all about YouTube. I don't obviously want to go through everything because I don't want to show you everything in the course. That wouldn't be fair to Chris. But I want to show you just a little bit about it. So you're going to see all the different courses he has here. The welcome, setting up a YouTube channel, building a niche specific YouTube channel. Really important, by the way. Build a niche specific YouTube channel. Do not just be one of those people who just post random posts because nobody's ever going to care. Okay. Unless you are PewDiePie or Donald Trump or something, nobody cares about your personal thoughts. You really need to stick to a specific niche. Okay, he's going to give you all these different things, talking about all the value, of course, the importance of thumbnails. That's super duper important. You're going to get my personal training on that. He's going to give you everything that you need to know in order to really build yourself up and build a sustainable YouTube channel that's really going to make you money, like you see here. This money, this is real. Okay, I know personally. And my channel is a lot smaller than even Chris's. My channel currently, as I'm recording this, has 541 subscribers. And even with my channel, I'm already making money off of my channel. And Chris does even better than I do. He doesn't have that many either. He's got 4,000 subscribers, which obviously is a lot more than I've got. But it's not really all that many more. It's not like, that I'm going from 540 subscribers to 50,000 subscribers, like, say, Adorno Armstrong. Chris doesn't have that much, but he still is able to rank really, really high because of what he teaches you here. And I personally have been obsessed with learning more about YouTube, and I still picked up a lot of stuff off of this course. It's a really, really great course, something that really is going to give you a tremendous amount of value. And for the $12 that Chris is charging, I did a course. Now, to be fair, the course that I did is called Tube Dominator. It was a one-on-one course where I provided personal one-on-one coaching. I also did small group classes where people could actually ask live questions. There was a ton of additional stuff, but I charged $500 for it. Okay, he's giving this to you for $12, and he's actually got so much stuff here, even stuff that I didn't know about, for $12. Well, let's see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to him.
What Top of the morning to you. I'm Hezekiah Monson.
And top of the morning to you too. And just like him, yes, I'm giving a tip of my hat to the product creator. Good stuff, Chris. For $12, go ahead and grab it. You're absolutely going to love it. Get it with my bonuses because those are really going to be super valuable to you. You're really going to make your YouTube channel pop with my bonuses and with Chris's course. This is a no-brainer. Go ahead and grab it.